G'day YouTubes, I'm going to show you my brand new Honda lawnmower I just picked up a few days ago. Here it is. That's my brand new Honda lawnmower. Ain't she a good machine? Ain't she a awesome machine? Yeah, that's my brand new Honda lawnmower. Has a throttle. And plus before I used to pull this bail bar back to start the engine and stuff. Now I don't need to do that anymore. Look at this. This right here is a blade stop. I push that yellow button in and I pull the bail bar back and it engages the mower deck. Here, I'll do a startup here for you real quick, tubes. It's a little cool out here, so this is kind of like a cold start. See if she'll start. Look at that, it starts up right on the first pull, tubes. I don't even need to push it anymore. She goes by herself. She goes pretty fast too. I'll engage the mower deck. This is how you engage the mower deck. You push this yellow button down and put this bail bar back. It'll engage the mower deck. Now the mower deck is engaged. I put that bail bar back the way it was and it disengages the deck. And also, I have this clip director which I put in the bag when the bag's on. I don't even need a mulching kit anymore. When I want to mulch, so that's my brand new mower, tubes. I highly recommend one of these mowers. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.